Today we'll be making apple muffins together with our kids. This muffin recipe is very forgiving. The use of ingredients is very flexible. It will be a good starter muffin recipe to make with your kids. This is what you need. Some whole wheat flour, some powdered sugar, some baking soda, baking powder, vanilla powder, cinnamon powder, sprinkles, apples, cashew nuts, eggs, oil. We also need 2 big trays, measuring cups, tablespoon and teaspoon, pestle, muffin trays and muffin liners. First, we dice the 2 apples in the food processor. Then we pound half a cup of nuts into small pieces. Next, measure 2 cups of whole wheat flour and pour them into a dry bowl. This is a good chance for the kids to learn to measure. Then measure half a cup of sugar and pour them into the same bowl. Kids also learn fraction while doing this. Okay. Tap, 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 tap. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, you can pour in.
Make this my turn.
Yes, 1 teaspoon. 1. Full, must be full. Ready? Go. Okay, it's full. Pour inside. Okay. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder into the dry mixture.
I like the smell.
Like this now. Okay, harder. No, harder. Break it inside here. Crack 3 eggs into another big mixing bowl. Never mind, it's alright, we can pour it over later. Okay, Yasmin, you want to try? Okay, break, open. Okay. Remove any eggshell and stir the egg. Measure and add 1/4 cup of oil into the egg. Okay. Wait. Add 1 by 1. Jeje first. Pour the wet mixture, chop apple and nuts into the dry mixture bowl and stir them until well incorporated. Okay, keep stirring. If the dough seems too dry, like in this video, add some honey or milk. Arrange the muffin liner on the muffin tray and scoop the muffin dough on the liner until almost full. Don't scoop so much then. Finally, add sprinkles to your liking. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake the muffin for 15 to 80 minutes. When the muffins are done, leave it on a cooling rack and cool it down before you eat it.
Quite yummy, quite yummy. I want to, it's very yummy. I like it. Can we make it again tonight?
You finish everything tomorrow already.
If you enjoyed the video, please support us by pressing the like button below. Also, do consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell notification icon.